The versatile, economical 4-in-1 sliding arm clamp can help you save valuable setup time in all of your work welding applications. The 4-in-1 clamp adapts to become a standard clamp, pipe clamp, step-over clamp, and spreader clamp. The 4-in-1 utility clamp is 10 times faster than a C-clamp because you're sliding the arm into position instead of turning a threaded screw as you would on a C-clamp. So the 4-in-1 clamp is setting up faster and easier with greater stability. I'll attach the V-pad accessory to the clamp jaw through the tapped hole to create a pipe clamp. I want to use my 4-in-1 clamp in a butt welding application, so I'm going to use the optional magnetic V-pad. I can use it for clamping round pipes, flats, and angle iron. I can also add the optional top clip-on V-pad that easily clips on right over the swivel pad. Now I'm going to use my 4-in-1 clamp in a spreading application. My 4-in-1 clamp has a removable, reversible clamp arm. I'm going to slide the clamp arm off the bar by pressing this spring-loaded stop. Now I'm going to turn the arm around and slide it back onto the clamp bar in the reverse position. I'm going to mount my extender block beneath the jaw using that tapped hole. And now I have a spreader clamp for pushing against these two surfaces to hold my tubes in place for tack welding. Now watch me turn my 4-in-1 clamp into a step-over clamp. I'm going to remove the clamp arm and I'll slide the clamp arm back onto the bar in the standard position. I'm going to move my extender block accessory here on top of the jaw, and now that extender block is going to serve as a step-over block. I can also stack my extender blocks for extended reach over taller edges. I'll just mount a second extender block over the first block, giving me a 4-inch reach. The 4-in-1 clamp is a strong, versatile, affordably priced tool, making it an exceptional value. The 4-in-1 utility clamps are available in capacities from 4.5 inches to 60.5 inches. With clamping pressures from 500 pounds to 4,800 pounds. For more information on the 4-in-1 utility clamps and to see the full line of welding clamps, magnetic clamps, and pliers, please visit us online at stronghandtools.com.